Okay, Terry, what have we got?
Well, we got a package from our friends at Avalon Spraying Equipment, and we've been waiting for this. Sent them a message, told them we wanted to try out some of the guns. After using a few different guns here and there, I saw theirs on their website, and I wanted to give it a try. I contacted Eddie, and this is what we got, and I'm excited to see it.
Fantastic. So this has just arrived, UPS sent from Taiwan. Let's open it up and see what we've got. It's come straight in, UPS.
Let's just do it right across.
Is it just the one gun that they've sent us, Terry?
I have no idea. I wanted to try a gun they're developing, and they said it wasn't ready yet. And they asked me to try this one. So I told them we would do an unboxing, give our opinion, and I can't wait to try it because it's in it. Actually, the packaging is nice. It is really impressive.
Wow, look at that. That looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Straight out. I was just expecting it to be boxed up in.
and popcorn.
Wow. So
far impressive. It looks nice. It has a nice finish to it. It feels good. It's got a nice weight to it. It feels balanced.
is that what's on the back of those needles there? Is that their branding by the looks of it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice.
Sure does look like it.
Nice detail.
It's got indicator numbers on here so you can set it up and remember where you were.
Wow. Nice colour.
Nice trigger pressure.
Right.
Easy to turn. Easy to adjust. It feels good. You can grab it. It doesn't have that real hard, gnarly finish on it.
Just set that down on the box and let's have a good look at it there, Terry. Gee,
So it's the TRI.
that is a nice looking gun, isn't it?
I like the quality. The quality feels. It feels good. It feels good.
What have we got down the bottom there? We've obviously got air in.
Air adjustment. Your adapter for your hose.
Right.
Put a water trap on that. What's nice is they sent you a pressure gauge regulator.
Nice. Okay.
And they do give you the fitting for the hose. High pressure fitting.
Okay.
And another air cap, which is nice.
Okay, so we've got a couple there.
Yep.
Right. What have we got on that?
I'll look at the different setups on them. They are a little bit different. Close but different.
They look like they look like they're good quality.
They feel good quality.
Yeah.
They're finished nice.
What sort of does this gun remind you of some of the other guns that you've used over the years?
One gun that I had that I really liked, that I used for everything but primer, was my Sharp gun.
Right.
And I've used DeVibbles, I've used Binks, I've used a lot of different brands. But this, this feels good. It just feels good. And it has the PPG cup adapter,
Right.
which I will be getting and we will be using when we do the other Alphas.
Right. And what's the benefit of that fitting for us?
Filling this cup and the cap on and off, after you start getting paint building up on it, if you don't keep it constantly clean, they get to be a little bit of a pain to take on and off. The other ones, the cup has an attachment on it. You fill the cup up, the cup sits this way, you fill it up. This goes in the gun. There's an attachment on the cup. You turn the gun over, hook on it, stand it up. No more paint slopping around. You upside down, whatever you want to do. And
Okay.
you don't have to
So
worry
that's
about
nice. So they've already given us the. They've already given us that to have a look at.
We will be using the PPG system.
Right. So let's just have a look at that piece that you've got in your hand there.
PPG.
Right, and it just shows. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's nice. That's a nice quality fitting. It doesn't.
Yeah, it fits in there well.
Right. Is that an insert that I can see at the top of the gun there, or is that just thread straight into the body? That's a nice quality finish in there.
It's polished out nicely inside. It's paint won't be hanging up in there too easy.
Right. What's it like if we take the gun apart, take that off and have a look? What have we got?
Well, it seals up nicely.
Right.
It does have nice seals on it.
Right. Just looking at that. The nozzle on it.
It's nice. They're machined nicely.
Yeah. And that has
that's a nice smooth trigger action on it.
Yeah. Right. What else have we got? We got. Did we get some? We got some brushes for cleaning. What's underneath there?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? What else?
The wrench to take the gun apart to clean it.
Right. Okay.
Little wrenches to work on it.
Right.
You got a cleaning brush.
Right.
If I can slide this back in there.
And we've got a general.
Just a good brush to scrub with.
Right.
It's not that hard. It's not that stiff, but it's not that weak.
Okay. So it's a quality brush. It's not. It's not
good.
a cheap brush that's going to fall apart on you the minute you use it.
I am. So far, I'm really impressed with it.
So why don't we lay some of this out and let's have a look and see what we've got here.
And this car will be one of the cars we're painting with this. PPG, the hose adapter, the regulator, and another air cap.
Right.
And the gun.
And most importantly, the gun. Right. That is
Pretty much everything you need.
That's nice looking gear. And regulator itself.
Isn't pounds and bars. No, it's just, yeah, it is PSI and bars.
Right.
So whichever you like to look at.
Nice quality.
Yes, it is nice quality.
Yeah.
Thank you, Eddie.
Yeah, made in Taiwan. Good quality equipment coming out of there.
We're going to need to put a link for them on here.
Yeah, we'll put a link at the bottom of this video, and
looking forward.
You can have a look at that.
To trying this gun out.
Yep, very, very nice. Thanks, guys. Thanks for sending it through. As you can see, this is sitting on one of the vehicles that we're currently working on, and we have another underway as well. So this gun is going to
have its use.
Put some paint on two of the Alphas, and we will show.
Let's film it.
We'll film painting, obviously, and you'll get to see the quality of the paint. We'll provide you with some commentary on how the gun performs. But right now, just based on what you're seeing there, Terry, does that equate to guns you've used in the past? Good quality guns?
I like it. I'm excited to wait to see how it flows.
Right. That's coming from Terry, who's been painting all his life and using high quality guns. He likes it straight up, so there you go. Avalon, nice. Beautiful bit of kit. Nice bit of packaging, boxing, looks good already.
And here we go if you want it.
And there you go, that's some of the details for the gun there. But really, we're quite excited to get this gun going, and we'll come back to you in a few months' time.
On paint day.
And on paint day, and you'll see it in action.